Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going through part 2 of preparing my Mustang EcoBoost for sale. I can't believe it, I said it in the last video. If you missed that one, go watch that one probably before you watch this one. I'll link it up here. But yeah, we are preparing to sell the Mustang, man. After a few years of having it on the channel, the car that started this entire channel is going to be going away because we are getting the new 2024 GT. And I heard from some Facebook groups and things like that that the new one is going to be coming pretty soon for people that have, you know, placed orders back in, when was it, like March, I think I placed the order for this. The okay to buy has been, I guess, initiated or has been okayed, I guess. So Ford can actually start shipping those cars now, which is pretty cool. So that means I got to get on either selling this or, you know, trading it in. But I think we're going to go the route of selling it privately with all the mods that I have on the car on it, besides the stock wheels. So that brings us into part 2 today, what we have to do to finish up getting this thing ready to sell. And the first thing we're gonna do is I gotta go to the storage center here where I keep all my, you know, spare car parts and things like that, the stock parts. And we're gonna get the stock wheels and tires and throw them on the car today because I am keeping these RTR Tech 7 wheels. We're gonna throw them on the new car, so that's cool. I just love these wheels. I love the way they look, and I think they're gonna look great on the new one as well. Plus, I just got these like, I don't know, maybe 6 months ago, so I don't really feel like parting with them. But I suppose if somebody offered me a ton of money for them, I would do it. But that aside, I gotta get the interior cleaned up a bit on this car. We're gonna finish up some little details on the exterior, and under the hood, we have to detail that as well, because I really want this car to be, I don't know, as nice as possible for the next owner, because I kind of look for that if I buy a used vehicle. I don't know, there's little things that you can do to make it, you know, as nice as you can for the next person. I just like that, and that's just kind of the way I operate. So I'll probably do an oil change too before we sell this car, because it's got about 50% oil life in the little, you know, display. So I'm gonna take Megan's car, we're gonna head over to the storage unit, grab those wheels and throw them on the car. So let's go. The trusty Jetta. We're gonna use her today to get the wheels. There she goes, revs to life. Haha. Now, if you guys saw my last video here actually, or one of the last videos, I did an install on this Car Pure Ride unit here for her. And a little update on that, if you're curious, if you watched that one, older vehicle, these things are awesome, man. We really like it. I've been using it all week. Going to work, actually, I've been taking this one because I didn't want to get my Mustang all dirty because I spent so much time cleaning it in the last video. But yeah, it's been great. A couple people were like, well, it's gonna overheat in the sun, things like that. There's no battery in this. It just operates off of, you know, your 12-volt cigarette lighter, you know, adapter here down there. And yeah, no problems overheating or anything like that. So if you guys are still curious on this or picking one up, I will have a link for it in the description of this video. You guys can save 15% as well if you use my discount code. So little something there for you. But let's head over to the storage unit. We'll get those wheels, and this video will get a little bit more interesting. So let's go. Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Oh, yep, sit right here. Okay, we made it to the storage unit. That's the word I was thinking for.
Is baked in a buttery, flaky crust.
Baked on a buttery crust.
Well, we made it to the storage unit. That's the word I was thinking of earlier. And
baked in a buttery flavored crust.
That's the word I was thinking of earlier. Unit, storage unit. Anyways, we'll see if these fit in the car. I'm gonna go get them, come back. And in a second, you're gonna see all the tires sitting right back there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Look it. The tires are in there. Just magic. That was a little bit of a process, but I thought I had the wrong keys to the storage unit because I have Megan's keys, and I didn't think there was a key to the storage unit on her key ring, but there was. So thank God we didn't have to go all the way back home and all that fun stuff. So got the wheels. They do fit in here. The storage unit is pretty nice. It's all full of car parts. So I guess once I get rid of the car, I won't have to pay the storage fee until I get parts for the other one, I suppose. And the other benefit of doing this is that we've lowered Megan's car. We've made it a lot more sporty. It looks nice, Megan, so this is a good look. We just throw some tires in the back. Quick lowering kit, nothing required, but a bunch of weight in the back. Sporty. All right, I'll meet you guys at home and we'll throw them on the car. Should we do that little snap thing again? Okay, yeah, let's do it. Well, and just like that, the tires have arrived. And you got to watch my out-of-shape body carry these wheels into the garage, which I'm sure was very nice. Oh, yeah, they're a little heavier and dirtier than I remember. But we got them in here, and yeah, now it's just time to throw them on the car. I think we're gonna get that out of the way first because that's gonna be the most invasive part of today. So let me put these on, and then we'll kind of reminisce of what it'll look like, or what it looked like previous to now. It's like this circle of life. It's looking like it was before. Okay, let me throw it on. Let me throw them on. I'm rambling. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, that took way longer than I care to admit. Honestly, that took a long time. So the wheels are finally on after, I won't even say how long it took me because it's kind of embarrassing, honestly, but there they are, back to stock, guys. Isn't that crazy? I hope you're not getting, I got the fan on in here because it is, oh, and it just started thundering and lightning out here. It's been raining like every day here in Georgia, which is great for stuff like this. Sarcasm, insert it right now. GT calipers too. They look pretty massive with these smaller 18-inch wheels, that's for sure. Jesus, look at that. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. Engine bay detail. So it's not terribly dirty in here. Again, we do have that strut tower brace on the car, which I am selling it with. But I'll go over all the mods and stuff, you know, in the next video, not in this one. And then, yeah, so let me just get to wiping this down here. So tomorrow we'll take the pictures and all that stuff, do the video, walk around through all the mods. So let's just clean it up just a little bit. Well, there you have it, guys. We've accomplished everything we wanted to accomplish today in this video. We got the wheels on, as you guys have already saw. You probably saw me cleaning up the interior as well. We did that, and we cleaned up the engine bay just a little bit because this is my daily driver still, so it's not gonna stay clean. So once, like I said, we get a buyer in place, I'm gonna go through all this all over again and make sure it's perfect for them. So this is what the car looks like right now. We got those standard wheels on there. Looks all right, brings me back to when we started this whole thing. And then the interior is looking pretty good too. It's pretty dark now with the rain and all this stuff, so you guys probably won't be able to see much in there, but it's looking pretty good. The car's looking great. I'm looking terrible, super sweaty and gross, so sorry about that, guys. Not the best visual here. But anyways, thanks for tagging along with me on this one. The next video, we're gonna go through every single mod I have on the car that you're gonna get if you choose to purchase this or if somebody does. This kind of a reference video is what I wanna make. But yeah, that's gonna be the next one, and we'll get some cool glamour shots and stuff like that for my other social medias in the next one. But in this one, that's all I really have for you. The car is pretty much ready. So guys, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. And one step closer to getting that Grabber Blue 2024 GT. Saying goodbye to this one. So you guys have a good one. We'll catch you in the next video.